The Aviation is a classic cocktail that dates back to the early 20th century. It's a delightful blend of floral and citrus notes, perfect for a sophisticated palate. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces gin, preferably a London dry gin, half an ounce maraschino liqueur. Luxardo is a popular brand. 1/4 ounce crème de violette adds a unique floral flavor and beautiful color. 3/4 ounce fresh lemon juice, freshly squeezed is best. 1 maraschino cherry for garnish. For equipment, you will need cocktail shaker, strainer, jigger, martini glass. Here are the instructions. Fill the cocktail shaker with ice. Add gin, maraschino liqueur, crème de violette, and fresh lemon juice to the shaker. Shake well until the mixture is chilled. Strain the mixture into a chilled martini glass. Garnish with a maraschino cherry. The Aviation Cocktail was created by Hugo Enslin, head bartender at the Hotel Wallach in New York, in the early 1900s. The original recipe included crème de violette, which gives the drink its signature pale blue color.